Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You really a live like how God people them supposed to live? Hmm? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait, pardon. Just go on now, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 13, from verse 1 to verse 10. That time, yeah, when me come, that I go make 3 times me come look for no. And same like how you write down in a God word say, if somebody do something wrong, we can't just punish them. 2 or 3 somebody we see what happen. If we come talk with them see and prove said that somebody did do wrong. After that, we can punish them. Last time I did it, that I did the second time me come look for no. Me did one no. Me did tell the people them where did I do wrong, and the rest I want to fit tap it. Tap do wrong. Cause when me come back, me now go take it easy pan no. Everybody will do wrong, I go get punished. And that me did tell you no when me did it. And now, even though me de far from you no, me I tell you no again. Me now go take it easy. And nobody since you did want me to prove say Christ Jesus. I use me to talk to no. When him deal with you no, him no weak. Him show him power amongst you no. A true say, when them did nail him up on the cross, him never show him power. He make himself weak. But God power make him come back alive and I live now. And same like how he did weak, I see him so me weak. But one day when we see, say God power are gonna make me live like how Christ Jesus I live. And me I go and live with him. Uno fe look pan uno self. Look and test for see if uno really a live like how people will believe in a God supposed to live. Uno no know say Jesus Christ a live in a uno. If uno no see say him a live in a uno, uno feel the test. Me hope say uno will come for see. Say we never feel the test. No, we pray to God. Say, we not do nothing we wrong. No cause we want to make ourselves look good, but cause we always want to do it right. We always want to do it right, even if it look like, say, we did fail the test. Cause we not have the power to tap the truth or hold it back. All we can do is help for credit. We happy when we're not strong and we weak. And when we are praise say, that God will make us go and grow strong in our own believe. So, me are right there sitting here tell you, while me not dead, So that when me reach, me not have to talk to no rough. Cause God give me the power and the right to correct you. But him give me the power there to help build you up. No fi tear you down. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.